Could you please? Come. Could you please come? Come. What if I just give them a treat? Got bacon over here, bro. Here is for Sophie, girl. Hey, Cujo boy. Cujo boy. Look at that, guys. He's already eaten half of it. Anyways, this is for Mitsuri Tenroji. I think that's her name. Anyways, peace.